So I just got this LokSound 5 decoder. It's a model 58429, a LokSound 5 decoder. And I just put it in this SD35 locomotive by Atlas. Pretty tricky installation in terms of getting the shell off. I had one type of speaker in here, but then I found out it was too big, and so I had to put a sugar cube speaker in there. And I'm also using a Decoder Buddy connector for the 21 pin LokSound connector. Alright, let's fire it up, see how she sounds. And for this installation, I put the reverse lights in the locomotive. And you can see there on camera, they're red LEDs. Off. As well as LEDs for the front lights and rear lights. So if you're doing an installation for an Atlas SD35, you're going to need to lose this back weight in order to accommodate your speaker. There are then clips which clip into the chassis. They're really hard to get at, actually. So you got to take the coppers off, and then you got to push the clips. There's a clip here, and there's a clip at the front in here somewhere. Once you get those clips off, it's a matter of just lifting the shell off. I would suggest, though, you take the handrails off first before you take the shell off. Once you get the shell off, you're going to have to take the worm gear out of the rear truck, and you'll have to access this weight. You'll then take the weight off. The reason you need to take the weight off is because you need to make room in here for the speaker. So you got weights in at the front, but no weight at the back. So, yeah, nice locomotive, wonderful sound. Alright, hope you like it. Bye.